Oh, y'all liking that up there, huh? Bro, look at why we can't sit up right here? We can sit up.
Ooh, listen, this view right now.
Nice. OMG. Awesome sauce. This is beautiful.
Oh, that's nice.
Wow, this is really beautiful.
They taking their family photo though. Yo, my heart to beat fast.
Me too.
Oh, look at that view over there too. It's more view.
So why the block up here? Because here's grass?
Right, they need to cut the grass so we can see what's going on, but this is nice.
Look at this. Tampa Bay, guys.
Beautiful.
Tampa Bay. Alert officials if they have.
What going here, sir?
So long.
Let's go to the. Yo, my hat. I shouldn't be complaining because I'm thankful for the sun right now. With all this rain, I'm thankful for the sun. That sound like one poem, me. With all this rain, I'm thankful for the sun.
Despite the rivers and the crooks.
The crooks?
The crooks and the dials.
The crooks and the dials.
Because of those rains, I'm thankful for the sun.
Thankful for the sun.
It's a little bit dirty on this side because as you can see there's like whiter sand over that side.
But nobody over there?
Over there.
Alright, so we just clean up a little area. That's what you're saying?
So as you see yeah.
Kaden big chillin'. You big chillin'? Everybody roll out. Yeah, and him gone already.
Let go.
Let's go to the beach. They have a park for the kids. Am I going with a bag of things? Wait, hold up. Is that a flood? I remember. No, another beach here.
It's not this one.
It looked just the entrance. Yes. Because I have the video. Nobody can cross it. Only who understand it can cross. If you cannot swim, you cannot cross it. Like myself. I don't know why I love water activities so much and I cannot swim. Honey, guess what? Watch there. Flood from Eta, and we're at the beach. So even the beach did flood out. But it's like 100 degrees right now, yo. It's hot. Hopefully we can find a spot on the beach where not much people is. And you know, just build a vibes. And when we say vibes, you know, all Jamaican vibes. Jamaican and Trini. You know, all Jamaican and Trini vibe, alright? Because this is a Jamaican Trini family. Yeah. Yes, sir. Because y'all know Trini Kimmy. She's Trini. And we're Jamaicans. So it's a Trini JA vibe. I don't have to go to the gym for the next month. This is right, because he's trying to find a spot where nobody's. Where is he? I don't. I'm not see. Oh, yeah, me see. Oh, you mean crocodile teeth?
I see you just struggling. I know you're struggling.
Oh gosh. You're almost there.
I appreciate you.
Almost there. You know these are crabs? You know, right? Guys, you know these things are crabs?
What?
These things right here is shell and crabs. Oh my god. Look at this one. This is huge. We just need to clean it off. And it's gonna be pretty. Wait, let me see. Woo! That's huge. She said a coconut. We're probably gonna see more up here. Yeah, let's go. I guess when the hurricane or whatever came, it like washed.
The crab arms.
It's crazy. But we have a lot more to see. Guys, you know everything that you just walked past was crabs and shells?
Yeah, that's what we're talking about.
It's a beautiful day. We're looking for something fun to do. Alright, let me take my chair off my back. Yeah.
Closing what I see here?
Yeah.
That's how you know it really did flood out.
Yeah, it did. Yeah.
Sorry, just sitting down, bro. Sorry, you gonna have to help Daddy.
Yo, this is for Daryl. Alright guys, I'll be back. We're gonna set up. So this is the setup.
Yeah, I can do a second.
Oh yeah, you can use the shovel and get it out. That's it's really stuck. It's like stuck. It's probably broken.
Oh God.
Oh, we're still setting up. We have another umbrella coming out. Almost finished. And I just had a feeling it was gonna be broken. That's why I just get. That's the next piece to it. Oh no.
It's a little bit sharp.
It's gonna pay off. One shovel at a time.
In the bucket.
In the bucket.
Yeah, maybe we don't do that
Trini Kimmy,
here. Yo.
are you vlogging?
No. Right now I'm eating.
You eating?
Yeah, I'm eating.
Kaden, you eating up all the snacks? Who remember Bigfoot? We got that Bigfoot. Listen, everybody over there in their man cave.
Yo! Hi, y'all over there. Outcasts.
Yeah? We chilling with Big Dog chilling, right?
Hey, you coming, man?
Big dog too, man.
We have to pause the music.
Kurly, Krissy.
What's up?
Oh, yeah, the
Got the Bigfoot over here. We have to pause the music every time we're vlogging. How sad is that?
And guys, there goes Tiff. And there goes Mommy. Yeah, guys, these are all the friends that we're chilling with. So we got Tiff and Jizzle. We got Kurly, Krissy, and Ian hiding as always. And
Right?
my husband,
What's that?
my kids.
It's so sad that we can't build right here, but the next time we go to the other beach where we live, we'll definitely build castle and castle.
Hey, come on. Yeah, come on. Like, wait, what do I do now? Oh, yeah. Ooh. You want me to cover you down? Yeah. You have to lay flat. Like, yeah. So he could cover like halfway. Can't cover you halfway.
Look at Kaden now going to work. Look at Kaden going to work. You finished? I thought you were gonna go a halfway, like cover her legs.
The hole wasn't deep enough. I was gonna dig it some more, but I was just taking a break.
Oh. Kaden is going to work.
Use 2 hands, Kaden. 2 hands.
Marissa's it's
Yeah,
super.
2 hands. Yep.
KK.
It's so hot. The water is like gone. Yeah.
No, put more water. Put more water. No, Zai, put more water first.
It's hard to go by there.
Go get water. What are you talking about? Stretch your legs. Hey, Dad, go get some water, man. Get some water in there. Right here, between the glasses.
Oh, okay, that's it.
Alright, don't mess up now.
The whole time this was not recording. Can you believe that? Oh my goodness. KK squad, we out.
They coming with that camera, so Krissy coming again on the next side.
Yeah, because oh, you on the phone? Sorry.
No, I'm playing games, girl.
Oh. But wait, let me go look what Jordan doing. Cause Coffee over here playing and you over here sleeping? You can't sleep while Coffee playing. You can't be sleeping while Coffee playing.
What's coffee?
Coffee.
I drink Milo.
Funny. KK squad, we out here. We lit.
I made a mud pig.
Oh.
You need help? You got it?
We're back home. It's night time, and them a jerk chicken around here. So come back, we go see we want. Check out the jerk chicken.
Open it? Sorry, no, I'm gonna drink it. Oh.
Hey man.
Jerk chicken.
Hey man.
Look, Krissy, come back!
So
Corona.
So
And an angry orchard for Mercer.
So what's Ian's name gonna be? Since you're Kurly Krissy.
For YouTube?
Yeah. Y'all
He
gonna have
doesn't-
a couples channel, right?
He doesn't want that. We could do that. We could do vlogs,
Extra income.
right? I'm a Corona. There's angry orchard for Mercer.
Huh?
Angry orchard for Mercer.
Y'all putting everything on the ground.
Corona on deck. The rest is here. I would name, because nobody on YouTube named Krissy and Ian, so I would name it Krissy and Ian. You know, have to be Krissy and Ian. Kurly and Kurly. That's funny. I thought so. Sorry, Marissa, there's no more angry orchard. What? Corona. You want Corona or Anakin? That one? Alright.
Hey man, this is like a party right now. You guys good? You guys good? You guys want anything? You want a beer?
So Tiff over here making the festival, the Elsha festival.
Y'all need to stop with that.
The Elsha festival. While Marissa over here eat up our wings, and I will be drinking my Corona.
For no reason.
Kaden!
I can't hold it, I'm alright.
Peekaboo!
Search funny vines.
Funny vines.
Oh, funny vines. Try not to laugh. Try not to laugh.
Alright. Remember, we can't laugh. Alright.
Are we recording?
Yeah, it's recording right now.
I know. Oh my god. What are you doing? Oh no.
Some type of challenge called
Try not to
laugh. I don't know who's in the lead right now, but
I'm definitely in the lead. I'm definitely in the lead.
well, Zaria's definitely in the lead. As always, she's really good with these games. I'm about to see this.
Ready? Go!
Y'all better try not to laugh.
Hi. Kaden said hi.
Oh, but you can't say hi to me.
We're not even vlogging, but look. Fried chicken and festival. Fried chicken and festival. Plain land. That's what's up. That's what's up. Ooh, this camera is lit.
You can do both?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, good. So what's up, guys? It's another day. Well, actually the last day of our vacation, and then back to South Florida we go.
Yeah.
So we're about to take a journey on this little trail right here, and let's see where it leads us. So come on, let's walk along. And as you see, I got all the kids with me.
Sorry.
Say hi, Zaria. Turn it back in. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera. Wave hi to the camera.
Okay then.
Say hi.
Yo, this camera quality is lit.
So we cross over there, and then we're into the other one.
Ooh, it's nice.
Yeah, that lake was not really came up because it wasn't high like that.
Oh, it wasn't?
No.
Look at the ducks.
See the ducky?
And then there's another lake over here. Oh, this is the grass area we have to cross over.
Be careful because there's some people there.
Yes, guys, we're doing our little morning walk. Tiptoes in the Jordans. Ooh. It's wet. Yeah, it's dew. Ooh. It's dew. Oh yeah.
Whenever I see ants, I know
You got some nice houses there.
Yeah. Oh, this is what we were telling you about when I
Right, and I didn't even get to come with you guys.
So now you're going to see it, so you will come.
Okay then, you ready for the road?
So guys, as you see, we're in another neighborhood.
Yeah.
And this neighborhood don't lead us out to the road.
Yeah. So peaceful back here.
I'm trying to contemplate if I want to go down back here or if I want to
Like to move up here?
Yeah.
That would be lit. I would definitely live up here.
Or if I want to live Orlando. Because I love Orlando.
Me too.
What's going on now? Some fish and ackee with some potato. Dashing and dumpling too.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Now rush.
Keep us safe from germs.
That's right. That's right, Zari. The plane land. Yes, the plane land. So yeah, breakfast is finally finished. Wait, so me see more food are going on the plate.
This is what's cooking for dinner. Curry goes over here.
That's why I can't win.
Somebody need to put on the 6 and we can get the show 6 of them.
Why would you say that?
Did you start what you had?
He's lying. I only got one card.
Oh, my man is the lowest thing ever. Yeah, yeah, the lowest one. How much you have to?
What you
I
got?
got too much, man. That's 4 blank plus something.
Come on.
9. Love 9.
5, 4, 3, 7. So you just gonna take money? You're not even gonna be.
You said send back the dollar, no?
You gotta send back one more, one per tip. I don't know what you're gonna send.
Technically, I already gave you my dollars.
I know what I owe people. I'm not passing what I owe them.
It's right here.
Yeah, but I'm not trying to do one transaction.
Yeah, so perfect.
$1
Don't forget.
Not forgetting.
Bruh, nah, that's
What is Jesus up to, man? Jesus, send the dollar, man.
Ready, man.
We didn't have a whole conversation.
Wait, we got the finishing touch here. We got the rice, the curry goat, and then oh yeah, I made roti for the first time. Want to see that? Yes, man. Sada roti, Trini style.
This is my second plate, guys. Yeah, I know I eat with a spoon. I'm weird. Hey KK squad, it's the next day. I didn't get to record when we got home yesterday because I was super tired, and as you guys can see, I just woke up still tired. Long day after work. But I just wanted to come in here just to let you guys know I had fun this weekend. This weekend was amazing. I mean, it might not be nothing too big for you guys, but for me it was amazing, mainly because of the people that I was around. Wonderful friends, more like family, and they're amazing. When I say amazing, words can't explain. Being around a group of people like them, it was just a breath of fresh air. It's just no bad vibes, no, you know, none of that. It's just all positive. Everyone is happy, laughing, having fun, just enjoying each other's company, you know. So it was just one of those moments. The big part about it all was they are very encouraging and welcoming with open arms, you know, in their home and stuff like that. Like, I'm so thankful for that. They're so encouraging, especially with this whole YouTube journey. Like, oh Krissy, you're gonna love this if you vlog this. Or they'll be like, oh Krissy, take out your camera because you're about to like this view or this scene. You know, very encouraging, and that's what I love. You don't have to be into what I'm doing, like this whole YouTube journey, to be encouraging, you know. You could like something the opposite of what I'm doing, but still encourage the people around you. And that's what I love. This whole trip, everything was just so, it was just a breath of fresh air that was really needed. Everyone was just a part of it and was just having fun, was just living, and love it, love them. Amazing group of friends. By the way guys, this is something we do all the time, but it's my first time making a vlog of it. Can't wait to do this again because it's always a good time when we link up. Always. Like, if you really know me, I don't talk much. Like, I don't talk much, but if you see me like all talkative around you and just like being myself, you know that I am very, very comfortable around you. Me being comfortable around people, it doesn't happen overnight. That I am that type of person. I'm a Cancer. It takes years. And if you see me comfortable around you, you must know. Not because you see me do this YouTube thing. In person, I am a shy person. I don't talk much unless I am very comfortable around you. It has to be like that. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please remember to subscribe, share, hit that thumbs up, make it blue. Thank you so much for the support, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.